Okay, so this is the file that's originally on Etsy. It's a small one. I don't know if you can just zoom for me here. You can see there's little screws in there. They're very tiny screws. So this is 3mm and this is 3mm. So they're what, about 6mm. Slightly longer actually than 6mm. Then what you're going to have is you're going to have your backing piece. Then you're going to have 4 layers. It depends how thick or how wide you want to make the Santa. You can add more layers. Then basically you're just gonna take this one and start off with one and glue it on there, and then you can clamp it, and then once you've glued that one, you glue all 4 of these. You'll see they all go together on the sides. Then you'll use this 3mm piece, which is the ones with the little holes where you're going to screw it in. So this one goes on top, and then as you can see here, the only piece I don't have here is the perspex piece. So the perspex piece or acrylic piece goes on top, and you just basically screw it in. These don't get glued onto each other. The only thing that gets glued is this onto these layers, and then the acrylic screws into this. If you don't want to use the screws, you could always take out the holes, so just delete these holes, and on this one as well. Then put your acrylic here, glue it in, and glue this on top just to give it that effect. You don't have to then use this piece